This is Ganesh Reddy and I welcome you to the Knowledge Treasure Hub. So in the last class we have seen reduction of Boolean algebraic expressions by using the properties and theorems. So in this class we are going to deal with one more technique called K-map to reduce the Boolean algebraic expressions. So let me to take an example. A bar B bar C plus A B bar C bar plus A B C bar. So how we can reduce this expression by using properties and theorems. So from these two we can common A C bar A C bar. So A C bar we are common. So B bar plus B on the first term as it is A bar B bar C. So A plus A bar will be 1. So AC bar plus A bar B bar C. Right? So this is the answer for that question by using properties and theorems. So the same question can be reduced by using K-map also. So you can ask the question. So we already have one method. So then why we are going to K-map called Karnaugh map. So if it is a simple 3 variable and only 3 terms, here we have only 3 terms, right? So if it is simple means we can reduce by using Boolean algebraic properties and theorems. For suppose if it is a 4 variable, so A bar B C D plus A B bar C D bar plus A bar B C bar D bar plus B bar C bar D. So if it is A B C D bar, so then reducing these type of equations by using properties and theorems will be complex, it is a time consuming method. So to reduce that time complexity we are going to the K-map called Karnaugh map. K-map means Karnaugh map. So it was invented by the scientist called Karnaugh. So because of that only we are calling. So here the Karnaugh is taken from the scientist, American physicist and mathematician Karnaugh. So because of that we are calling it as K-map. So the K-map will consist of 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable. So 1 variable K-map, 2 variable K-map. So because the Boolean expression also consists 1 variable expressions, 2 variable expressions, 3 variable expressions. So up to 4 variable we can, so even our 5 variable K-map is also there. So we can reduce simply up to 5 variable K-maps. So the number of cells is based on the variables. So for n variable there will be 2 power n cells. Right? So for one variable, so the number of cells will be 2 power 1, so 2. So for n variable it will be 2 power n cells. So for one variable, so there will be 2 power 1 cells, means 2 cells. So we have 2 cells. So 0, 1. Similarly for 2 variable we have 2 power 2, so there will be 4 cells. So totally 4 cells. Similarly for 3 variable, so 2 power 3 cell, that is equal to 8. So totally 8 cells for 3 variable. Similarly for 4 variable, we have 16 cells. So totally 16 cells. So this is the number of cells and how the cells are arranged in Karnaugh map, K-map. So the technique, the code used in this K-map is gray code. So we already discussed in the different types of codes about the gray code. So since gray code is minimum error code, so only one bit will be changed from its previous state. So we are using gray code in Karnaugh map technique. So we'll see how the gray code will be located in these cells. So for two variable, so for one variable 0 1, so it is simple. So a bar a, right? So for two variable, so we are taking AB here. So 0 1 0 1. So it is also simple. So 0 1 2 3, right? So this is for two variable. For three variable, here it does matters karma map. So the gray code here will matters. So A, B, C. So three variables A, B, C. So 0 1. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So here we are taking 0 0 0 1 1 1, then only 1 0, because we are using gray code here. So the gray code will be from its previous state, only one bit needs to be changed. So here from 0 0, so 0 as it is, so only 0 changes to 1, so only one bit. Similarly from here to here, so 1 1 will be as it is, so 0 will be changed to 1, so only one bit is changing. From here to here, 1 is as it is, only 1 is changing to 0. So only one bit needs to be changed in gray code. So because of that only, so here 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So the arrangement will be so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the POS and SOP terms can be reduced by using this K-map. The standard POS and standard SOP terms can be reduced by using this K-map technique. So the standard SOP are called minterms. So the minterms are represented by ones, as well as the standard POS terms are max terms. So the max terms are represented by zeros. So we'll see. Similarly for for four variable, A, B, C, D. So here also the same 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So the location will be 0 1 2 3, next 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So this is the arrangement in four variable K-map. So we'll see examples in the next session, so then it will be clear. So this is the introduction class. So from the next class onwards, we'll see examples how to solve using Karma map. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.